Today I'm going to unbox the EDU for Microbit kit. I'm very excited about this. Here's the box. Doesn't fit on my screen. It's that big. And we open up the box. And inside there's some lovely illustrations inside the front cover. This is a theme of this kit. It's very well illustrated. And on top of the kit we've got a card in case we don't have a kit that includes the Microbit. This allows us to find out more about it. And on the top is this fantastic EDU guide. This is brilliant. It's extremely well illustrated, lovely, glossy paper here. It goes through several different projects. Each project has a chapter dedicated to it. Put that to the side. And next we've got some things that we're going to need for some of those projects. Here is a twister wheel with some snakes and ladders cutouts to use. You push those out. Wonderful design. Underneath that, we've got the Let's Play Penalty Shootout card. More about that when we get to the Chapter 9 project. Then there's a Snakes and Ladders board. This is bigger than the box, so you have to unfold it. And a full Snakes and Ladders board. How exciting. And then underneath that, same sort of design. A board with spots. A bit twister board. Then under that, now we get to the exciting stuff. I've got a Microbit in my kit. You might have got one that didn't come with a Microbit. If you're not familiar with the Microbit, go away and find out. You need to know about the Microbit in order to complete this kit. This is a version 2 Microbit. Underneath that, the real deal that we're interested in is this is the EDU board. And you can see at the top here, there's a slot for the Microbit. And then exciting things are at the bottom here. These are Grove connectors. These are basically plug and play connectors that you can connect sensors to. There's also an onboard power socket, so you don't have to fiddle with the Microbit power, which if you've ever used a Microbit is a bit difficult to unplug. There are various other connectors over here on the right. For motors, there's a servo connector, and if it means anything to you, it's the I2C or I2C connector for connecting more complex types of sensors. Now, keep going on about sensors, but what's interesting is all the sensors are hardwired to the board, so they're already on board, so to speak. There is a speaker which you can use to play music, a microphone, a potentiometer, an infrared sensor, 4 RGB LEDs, 3 coloured large LEDs, red, orange and green, and 2 buttons, a yellow button and a blue button. We've got a power cable. This is USB-A. You might need a USB-C adapter for your computer, and that splits the power into 2 plugs. This plug plugs directly into the EDU board, and the other plug is micro USB to plug directly into the Microbit. In addition to that, we've got a servo motor, a DC motor, pulley wheel, a fan blade, 7 Grove connector cables. These are female to female. And finally, a really handy screwdriver for you to put everything together. I hope you found that interesting. Next up, some EDU projects.